Dear students, 3-4 days before I had taken one sum from tangents and normal. Today also I have taken one sum from tangents and normal. It is also necessary for your preparation, especially for the preparation of competitive exams. Now take and see what type of sum it is. If the line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p touches the curve x by a whole to the power n by n minus 1 plus y by b n by n minus 1 is equal to 1. Prove that a cos alpha whole to the power n plus b sin alpha whole to the power n is equal to p power n. For the solution of this sum, first we have to find out gradient of the given line. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. This is the line. We find out gradient means slope. That will be, you can write this sum as y sin alpha is equal to minus x cos alpha plus p. Now divide both sides by sin alpha. You will get y is equal to minus x cot alpha plus p cosec alpha. So gradient will be minus cot alpha, which can be written as minus cos alpha by sin alpha. Now take curve. From this curve also find out slope, means dy by dx. Right curve x by a whole to the power n by n minus 1 plus y by b power n by n minus 1 is equal to 1. This is given to you. And now on differentiating with respect to x, you will get this part. Or dy by dx is equal to x power 1 by n minus 1 into b power n by n minus 1 by y power 1 by n minus 1 into a power n by n minus 1. Now write, compare 2 and 4, equation 2 and 4, compare to equation 2 and 4, you will get x power 1 by n minus 1 by a power n by n minus 1 cos alpha is equal to y power 1 by n minus 1 by b power n by n minus 1 sin alpha is equal to k. Suppose k. And from this, you will write the value of x as x is equal to k power n minus 1 a power n cos n minus 1 alpha. And similarly, y is equal to k power n minus 1 b power n sin n minus 1 alpha. Putting the value of x and y in equation 3, we have k power n minus 1 a power n cos n minus 1 alpha whole to the power n by n minus 1 by a. And similarly, plus k power n minus 1 b power n sin n minus 1 alpha by b whole to the power n by n minus 1 is equal to 1. Now, calculate this. After calculating, you will get k power n a power n cos n alpha plus k power n b power n sin n alpha is equal to 1. And take k power n common, then it will be a power n cos n alpha plus b power n sin n alpha is equal to 1 by k power n. This is equation 5. Now, putting the value of x and y in equation 1, we have k power n minus 1 a power n cos n minus 1 alpha into cos alpha plus k power n minus 1 into b power n sin n minus 1 alpha into sin alpha is equal to p. Now take k power n minus 1 common, and we can write as k power n minus 1 a power n cos n alpha plus b power n b power n sin n alpha is equal to P, or it can be written as a power n cos n alpha plus b power n sin n alpha is equal to P by k power n minus 1. This can be written as P by k power n by k, which is equal to P k by k power n. Now, or 1 by k power n is equal to pk by k power n. From equation 5. In equation 5, I have written a power n cos n alpha plus b power n sin alpha is equal to 1 by k power n. So for this, write 1 by k power n, and this will be equal to pk by k power n, or pk is equal to 1, or we can write as pk whole to the power n is equal to 1 power n, that is 1. This part can be written as p power n k power n is equal to 1, or p power n is equal to 1 by k power n, and this is equal to p power n k power n is equal to 1. Now p power n can be written as 1 by k power n. Now 1 by k power n can be written as a cos alpha whole to the power n plus b sin alpha whole to the power n. It is given 1 by, from equation 5 you can write this. Hence proof that we have to prove. Dear students, often I take such type of sums for the preparation of competitive exam. It is necessary for you all to introduce such type of sums, and it is also useful for you and for you all to prepare well for the competitive exams. Today we see the students are fully depend on coaching. This is not good for attaining, for achieving the goal in life. Coaching is useful, but not without having self-study. So first, you should have self-study and do again and again. Means without practicing, without self-studying, you won't be successful in attaining your aim in life. And for that I have taken such type of sums for you all, and see and have practiced well and be successful in life.